Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in a Summit White. This one is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our black interior, leather, heated and ventilated seats on both sides with our AT4 badge up top and our Kalahari stitching along the sides. At the bottom left you'll find our power seat controls, and up top we do have our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. Inside, you'll find our infotainment system with built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And right below that, you'll find our dual climate controls. Further down, you'll find our USB-C and USB charge port, our trailer brake controls, and of course, our AC outlet on the right-hand side. In the middle, we have additional storage, as well as along the side, 2 cup holders, and inside of our middle console, we have additional space and storage with our SD, our USB-C and USB charge port, our aux outlet, as well as our additional space inside the console. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we have our power adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks and our seat memory settings, and over here you'll find our automatic high beam controls and our drive modes. Moving along to the right hand side of the steering wheel here, if we take a look, we do have our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here in the middle. On the left-hand side, you'll find our cruise control settings, as well as our heated steering wheel controls. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. And down below, we do have our push-to-start ignition, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry and remote start. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our black interior leather seats, with plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. In the middle, we have our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat there is cubbies with additional storage. Inside the seat itself we have more cubby space as well as underneath, and of course in the middle we have our cup holders. Checking out the exterior here on the AT4, we do have our GMC badge in the middle of our grille, red tow hooks at the bottom, LED headlights and fog lamps, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with paint protection along the front. Down below we have our 18-inch rims on our Goodyear Wrangler tires, black accent side mirrors, keyless entry handles like I mentioned earlier, and tint in the rear window. Moving along to the back here, we have our black tonneau cover up top, corner assist steps on each side, as well as our chrome dual exhaust. This vehicle also does come equipped with the multi-pro tailgate, as well as a power lift gate that comes down, hands-free, no problem. Inside, we have our spray-on bed liner, and of course, our 120-volt outlet here in the corner. And that is our 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in a Summit White. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.